today's proper cooking show. So I'm going to make myself some quick lunch here. I ran out of bread, so I'm going to do a quick pizza for lunch with some yoghurt bread in the pan, and then just finished up under the grill. So I've got my ingredients here. I've already weighed out my flour, yoghurt, a bit of baking powder, different to bicarb because it's got other stuff in, a bit of cheese. I'm going to try a Baby Bell on top of there because that's kind of soft. The cheddar's good, but it can be quite oily. And I'm going to make a little quick tomato paste with a bit of onion marmalade in, salt and pepper as usual, and then some Italian meats, more flour for dusting. So let's get on. I'm going to make my yoghurt bread first, so equal quantities of yoghurt, and I've got strong bread flour here. Let's pop in a little bit. I'm using 100 grams of both the self-raising flour and yoghurt. I'm going to stop saying something I picked up. There's a bit of salt in there. Okay, so we're getting there now. We have managed to achieve a ball of dough. Okay, so let's roll this out now. Okay, so I'm going to get a bit of flour off that, and I'm going to put this straight in my pan. I'm not going to put any oil in. The reason why is it's good non-stick, I don't need it, and this hob really gets hot really quickly. Okay, so let me just cut it. So what I'm going to do now, I've got the bread on and I'm going to heat that up, and I'm going to cook it both sides because actually I want to save time under the grill. So I'm going to put the sauce and stuff on the top once I've flipped it over and once I'm happy with that cook, and then I'm going to stick it under the grill. So here you go. Let's have a quick look at a bit of mushroom with the sauce. Keeping my eye on my bread, which is cooking along nicely. I'm going to add a little bit of this in. That sticky red onion marmalade. I'm going to add my tomato puree. Right, so this now is steaming away. If we just lift an edge on here, we can see it's starting to firm up, but there's no colour at the moment. And I'm going to stick some oregano in here, because I love oregano when it comes to Italian, when it comes to tomatoes. Nearest thing to hand. Turn that over, and we can see lovely little base smoking away, and that's just the flour that's burning off there. There we go. I'm happy with that, and I'm going to take that off the heat. That's done now. And I'll start building my pizza. That is looking and smelling delish already. I'm going to add these little pearls of mini Baby Bell. That's my soft cheese because I've got no mozzarella. And I'm going to add on some cheddar on top. Don't need to add too much, just enough to give a nice taste. This is not your margherita. Right, now that's going to go under the grill for a few minutes now, probably about 5. Starting to look quite nice there. Now I would put some fresh basil on, in fact I will do, but I haven't got any. So we are now just waiting to dish this up, and I'm going to get some salt and pepper to put on top, and I think a bit of mayonnaise. So, from a bit of dough that didn't look like it was going to carry much to a finished pizza, let's stick that on the plate. And look at that there. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this took 3 minutes.